I love using this Vortex harness for my binoculars. I am an avid birder, so I am always going out and bird watching. So this is how you put the harness on. It's kind of just like putting a backpack on. So you put the straps over your shoulders, and then you hook, I'll show you how the hook goes. So you just hook it onto your binoculars. So very easy to put on, and it allows for movement of your binoculars. Very easy to put your binoculars up and then just to rest them while you're walking. Very comfortable. This is what it looks like from the back. And it has these little hooks for adjustment, just like a basic standard strap adjustment. And for size reference, I am 5'2", and these are very comfortable on me. And also I go out on birding field trips with another big group of people, and I would say maybe a third or even half of the group will have this exact harness. So that tells you how great it is. Very good quality. Vortex is a great brand, and I love this harness because it is very comfortable and allows me to be comfortable while I am bird watching for hours.